Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the TPMS RELEARN tool, and it's a Tigorg 2-in-1 multifunctional tire pressure monitoring systems tool for General Motors cars. All kind of General Motors family cars can solve the TPMS problem with that tool here. That means there's Vauxhall, Opel, General Motors, GM, so many, okay? Cadillac, for example, GMC, Buick, Chevy, what you like. TPMS RELEARN and Tigorg 2-in-1, the multifunction tire pressure tool, relearn tire pressure sensor and tire pressure measurement with only one tool. That's cool. Oh, yo. And it's for GM series vehicle, Chevy, Buick, GMC, Opel, Cadillac, etc. Equipped with 315 to 433 MHz tire sensor. Not for heavy trucks. RELEARN tool use occasions. The tire replacing, tire sensor changing, tire swapping, tire pressure, alarm clear. What your problem is, this tool can fix it. And manual and physic digital tire pressure gauge for car, motorcycle, bicycles, accurate measurement, LCD display for 4 settings with range from 0 to 150 psi, or 0 up to 7 bar, 0 up to 7 kilogram cubic centimeters, or 0 to 700 kilopascal. Tire value lasts for 30 seconds. That's awesome. And this TPM reset tool can help us to reset all tire much easier. And measuring the tire pressure anytime with tire gauge function. This tire pressure monitoring tool is powered by a 9-volt battery, which is not included, okay? To save the energy, we please shut down the tool after used. The RELEARN tool using is really easy, as you can see. Okay, we set the vehicle to the tire pressure training mode. That means we insert the key, we step on the parking brake, we turn the car key from off to 3 times, we step on the parking brake again, we turn off the car key, and then we turn it off on 3 times. Partly when the vehicle starts, the vehicle enters the training mode by continuous turning on and off the hazard warning flash 3 times. If we hear the beep of the horn, it means that the training mode has been activated. In this case, it's an Opel and Vauxhall. You can go to unit to tire pressure monitoring or tire learns program, and then you have to hold the set button for approximately 5 up to 10 seconds, and then the horn will give some information. Okay, so you can see it's a little bit other between the brands, okay, but it will work. We starting from the left front tire. We turn on the antenna on the tire pressure monitoring special tool upward. We press the tire sidewall near the valve stem rim to activate the antenna. We press and reel on the right button and wait for the horn to sound. Once the horn buzzes and the sensor information is read in the turn signal at the next position to be read will light up. After the horn sounds and the front right turn signal lights up, the remaining 3 sensors repeat step number 2. As you can see, that means you can go to the right side in front, you can go to the back side on the right, you can go to the back side on the left. Every time it's the same. Go and push the antenna button, and then the horn and the position light will blink, and you can go to the next. If you set all 4 sensors, after the sensor is readed, the horn also buzzes twice. The reading process is complete, and the car control model access the reading mode. Okay. That's awesome and easy, okay? Because there is a lot of simple steps. That means you have to go to the relearn mode, then you go to each tire and you relearn. You will relearn your tire pressure monitoring sensors as well, and as easy as going with that tool here. After this, you're ready to go back on the street with new setup. And you can see it's really easy. This device requires a new 9-volt battery. The TPMS RELEARN function is only for GM series cars. GM original tire sensors can be activated 100%, okay? When resetting the tire sensor, the car gear set needs to in parking position and of course in relearning mode. When resetting the tire sensor, we press the button to wait till the light green up. When measuring the tire pressure, we need to test under the condition that the valve is not leaking. Then waiting the left green lights up. The tire pressure is different from the different cars, so we have to compare the tire pressure value recommended by the car's instruction manual, okay? And then you can go back with your car on the street and you do not have a tire pressure monitoring system problem anymore, because this tool here can solve that problems. This is the TPMS RELEARN tool, and it's from WXDAS. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.